Now I am going to show you how to make a Lego padlock. Pretty big for a padlock. So. First, start out by making this. Make sure you have these two pieces to put on. Now put them on like this. So now you can see right through it. Now you will need 4 of these, 1 of these, 6 of these, 3 of these, 5 of these 2, 1 of these, a little longer than the previous one, and finally this one. Now build as shown. Now take this piece and put it as shown. And also take 1 of these and put it as shown. Now build all around the edges. Take these 2 pieces and add this one onto the other one. Now put this piece here. Now do what I do.
Is the video I'm taking now?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I know.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four.
Don't forget putting the one in.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four.
Now put this piece as shown.
I can't hold longer.
Now build this. I took out this piece here and put it here because it's not on anything. So now put that like that. Now cover the rest of the top. And now also add flat pieces.
Can't hold much longer.
Just a tiny bit longer, okay, Tristan?
Okay.
And now, this that you made in the very beginning is now the key. See the hole that you first made in the beginning too? You're going to stick the key inside. And now, turn it to your right. And then, you can pull here and it is open. Now lock it by pushing left, and then you can pull it back out. No matter what, even if you shake it upside down, it is still locked.
Can I make it? No.